Hello YouTube family. So this is a beautiful, stunning property. I mean, it's right under $3 million. Actually, it might be 2.8. I mean, it's going to be in the description down below, but you get such an expansive, humongous driveway here. The beautiful paint in the green matches kind of like the rainforest out here in the Seattle weather. But this is a stunning property that I want to show you guys today. I mean, check out this expansive. I mean, this is ridiculous. But before you go in here, we have the office. And I mean, this is still a pretty good size office with the front views of the house on the left. So when you're sitting here working, maybe get a bigger table. Of course, this is just staging. You get to watch out your front window and see who's coming in. But let's take a look at the rest of this house. It's a little bit away from downtown Bellevue. And if you guys are wondering where Bellevue is, it's one city away from Seattle. And a lot of people like to move here to not be stuck in the prime busy traffic of Seattle. But check out this. I mean, I really like that design on the fireplace. And then you even get these like super high ceilings that just make the whole house feel so finished. And the stairs and the chandelier, I mean, this is beautiful. But I like, a lot of new homes, they don't have dining rooms that are just separated, and this one has it. Although it feels a little bit dark here, I mean, I feel like a good light would have been nice on that corner there. You get a full wraparound into kind of like a mini, butler's pantry, I would say. And then it leads right into the kitchen, but we will wrap back around on the other side because it does basically a full 360-degree loop. So this is, an expansive property. I mean, the layout is very unique. You don't see much homes with that kind of staircase anymore. And then you even have a guest bedroom on the main floor with like ultimate privacy on the right. Check this out. This is pretty cool. And then it also has its en-suites and its bathrooms. It's been renovated, it looks like. You have the walk-in closet, and then you have more like a linen closet here. But this is pretty private. You have the French doors on the right and the left. It's pretty cool. And I always wondered what this closet was. So more for just your jackets, your storage, your vacuums. And then this place here, the laundry room, not much renovation, but you get those two stunning Maytag appliances. And then of course the garage, nothing pretty in here. It's a pretty standard garage, but what's cool is that you get a detached garage over there. Sorry, not detached, but you get an external door. And you don't get that much often out here. And then your furnace and your water heater sits right in the garage. Sometimes you see these on the left side here, but it looks like they've positioned this perfectly to just be flush with the wall. So that way you could just use the space and not worry about hitting it while you're parking. But my favorite's upstairs, and I want to show you guys. But before we go up there, we'll have to see this room. So here's the powder bath. I love wallpaper when it's super bright and welcoming like this. No bathroom, that's what powder baths are. You just have the toilet and the sink. And then the flooring has been fully renovated on this home. And one thing I want to mention is you don't really get much of these trim works anymore out in new construction homes. That's the beauty of a little bit of an older home. You get such a stunning design, even a skylight up there. Of course, this place is staged. And then, some stagings don't have TVs, but look at that fireplace mantle. The fireplace could have an upgrade if it wants to, but it's all preference from there. I'm a big fan of these shelves. You could put so much design here. And then one extra thing you could add is always some undermount lighting to give it a shine even more. ultimate privacy. I mean, no one could look in or out. You don't see any houses unless you're right over here and all you see is the corner of the house, no windows. But you get gas appliances, KitchenAid, you have the fan, which takes everything outside, and then all stainless steel. I really like these cabinetry, and then the handles as well. The gold is always one of my favorites. I have many favorites, but that's just one. And then here is the pantry. You could always go in there and upgrade the shelves. And then this is exactly what I was talking about. So you have this cool little area to do your work. I mean, back then they had the Ethernet cables and all of that plugins and stuff out here, but not anymore. No one really uses those. And if you do, the option is still there. I mean, that's the Ethernet plug. And then this setup is super nice. I mean, KitchenAid again. And then this is the butler's pantry that I called it, which, you know, 360s back into that room. But this is by far, I mean, it's such an open layout. Let's go check outside really quick because I want to show you just how private this is. Here's the house next door I was talking about. And then the trees, this one's cut down. But Washington loves its trees. And you get that feel back here. And if you want to fully fence it, then you could possibly do it. But again, full repaint it looks like on this house. And then the concrete, this is a perfect place to put up, like, you know, your chairs, your fireplace, a little outdoor gathering. And then you have a sprinkler system here as well. But not even another house could look inside. That's a blessing. I mean, in a city so packed, it's really hard to find that. All right, let's go see upstairs. There's only one way up and one way down. Of course, if you want to take a faster flight path, it's there. Joking. So flooring's been redone, the carpet's been redone. All right, we'll make it quick up here before it gets dark. But again, such a high ceiling, high vaulted feel. So this is your second French doors. I mean, so many French doors in this house. The lighting's been all upgraded, so it feels nice and bright. You have the front entrance view again, just like the office. And then this is your media room. There's not a closet. If there was a closet, this could have been called a bedroom because you have your heating, you have your windows. It's pretty massive. And then these rails are also pretty high up and there's not that much space between, so some safety concerns couldn't be there. And then you have the bathroom, you have the his and her sinks, we like to call it. It's a massive bathroom. I mean, it just feels nice and bright. Some remodels are available still, but here's one of the bedrooms. The closet, pretty straightforward. I can't wait to show you the primary. Here is the second bedroom. Again, I mean, so much privacy here. And then the best of all, before we get there, we have the ultimate private bedroom. And all the fans match in every single house. This is one of the bigger bedrooms. But once we get to the primary suite, I mean, this is stunning. It's so massive. Then there's so much space. And the trim work on the corners up there even shine and showcase itself to make this place just feel so much more bigger. And then the privacy, I mean, we were just down there. There's a concrete stamp. So massive. I mean, this is a massive bed. And to get two nightstands on the left and right of it, you get a massive heating. Not like that really matters, but it's just something I wanted to point out. And then again, with all the bathrooms, you get such a bright feel, super bright and white. The lighting is perfect. The privacy is perfect. And then correct me if I'm wrong, I believe this is called a herringbone design of just a, kind of an arrow-shaped design there. Your toilet has its own door. And then your walk-in closet, I mean, it's pretty massive. So, you know, when you're buying homes in Seattle, or let's just say the Seattle area, you really have to pay attention to how much light you get. And this house does not lack at all, besides that one corner in the dining room, which can be fixed with a lamp. Everything else looks pretty solid, and it just feels so nice and fresh, and so clean, and such simple colors. I mean, the black with the brown floors, and then the staging just mixes well with neutral colors. Everything just flows in peace and tranquility, if that's the right word to say. And again, here is the outside. And the color is just so beautiful. I can't get over it. So if you're interested in a home like this, don't hesitate to reach out. And then all the details on this house, of course, will be down in the description below. Otherwise, word of the week is going to be cheerful and stay happy. I guess it's a sentence. We'll make it a thing from now on these videos. But I hope you enjoyed this tour, and subscribe, follow for more. We'll be doing way many more of these. I mean, so much more is the plan. Always got to lock up before we leave the house. Anyways, see you guys on the next one, and